Mayor, medyo off topic lang po, no? We're asking this to all candidates. Sir, comment lang po ninyo sa naging statement kanina po ni Senator Grace po, dapat daw mas tutukan sa kandidato, voluntaryong magbigay ng drug test. Dapat merong isang lugar at panahon na pupuntahan para hindi kanya-kanyang sa...
Oo, madali yan, ihi lang.
Hindi daw pwedeng urine lang, dapat blood and hair, not just the past weeks results, kundi years.
Ate Dila, sige. Name the place. Ako, ante, pinapatay ko nga yung droga dito. Gusto mo, ihi, laway. O, pati gusto mo, atuli na, kuuti na. Kutundas. Wala akong problema ng ganon.
Rodriguez again called on you to undergo a hair follicle test, citing the constitutional principle that public office is a public trust. What do you say to this, Mr. President?
No. No. Why should I do that? What is saying public trust, public office, public has nothing to do with the political test. There's no, wala namang connection ang sinasabi niya.